Hi everyone. So thank you so much for having me on this video. नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं, डायरेक्टली बातें करनी है. अच्छा चलो ठीक है, थोड़ा देर लगेगा, अभी लेग आ रहा है मेरे को.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं. यहाँ से डालूंगी इस वाले पोर्शन से डालूंगी.
So trek was awesome. Food is out of the world. एंड वी
मेहनत के बाद
बहुत सारा चलने के बाद चाय आती है, तो वो दुनिया की सबसे अच्छी चाय लगती है. और उसके बाद वो जो पानी देते हैं पहली बार आने के बाद, जो थोड़ा सा मीठा होता है, खट्टा होता है, ऐसा लगता है कि इतना अच्छा पानी कहीं नहीं है. और लगता है कि यहाँ पे आके जंगल में क्या करेंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पे आके मज़ा आता है कि यार नए फ्रेंड्स मिलते हैं. कई होते हैं जिनके साथ झगड़ने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. सो या वी इंजॉयड अ लॉट एंड द ट्रैक इज़ ऑसम. बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं था, बट लंबा है, पर बहुत इंजॉयबल है, ब्यूटीफुल है.
Okay, focus. Head, shoulders, knees, shoulders, 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 knees, toes, head, grab.
So our day 2 has begun and we have walked a few kilometers to reach this place. This was a very interesting place as we could see how spring water was being collected through pipelines and stored inside reservoir tanks. From here we will not get water for quite an extent. तो हमने पानी भर लिया यहाँ से and हमने देखा how the spring water was collected through these pipelines to a nearby reservoir tank.
Behind you can see Nerumara cave. Neru means bending down and going inside. So we are going to bend down and go inside that cave. And the red patches, you can see that's calcification. So let's go inside. We can see the gorges inside this cave.
Nerumara cave is famous for its cave paintings. These dates back 100,000 years back.
Now we are going inside to the other part of the cave. Just bang my head.
जय माता की जय. जय हाँ राम गोपाल, आ जा ऊपर, आ जा. नमः पार्वती पते हर महादेव.
We are reaching the second base camp for today. The time is roughly 2:30 and the pond is filled with lotus. This is what treks are for. You know, जो जगहें हम नॉर्मली जा भी नहीं सकते, you get to experience them on foot. Many a times I think that, oh my god, this trek, कितना washroom का दिक्कत है. There is like, you know, you need to wash your own utensils, though that's fun. Washroom is the biggest challenge. But in सब का मज़ा ही कुछ और है. When you see the beauty, when you meet new people, you exchange ideas, views, knowledge. That is what treks are for, and we should be doing many more treks and get out of our comfort zones.
Hello everyone. So I have reached the third day of the Chhattisgarh jungle trek, and I'm making this video specially after charging my phone for some time, and I'm making it near Gopat River. So we are camping here. This is our last day out here, and the main problem of this trek, which is fun also, that there is no signal right from the base camp till the end day. You don't get any signal and there are no electricity, so that's how it is. And after that, the last walk that we had was through the jungle. We went from the mountains and then we had a river walk. We walked through the Gopat River and we have reached this place, and we are camping tonight and then we'll be leaving tomorrow. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the last day of our Chhattisgarh trek and I'm standing in front of the Gopat River, which I was trying to show you at night. And what can I say about this trek? I came in the month of January end. This was the last trek which was being done by the India Hikes, and it's a beautiful one. The one you will dream of doing. The meandering river through the trees. At the back end you can see the trees and the river flowing through it. And after that, the rocky climb that we had, everything, it was very beautiful. It was a lovely trek, and today we had a river walk also. We walked through the river. That was the best part of the whole thing, and the prop routes and everything, it was lovely.
The cows are not looking that welcoming to me, so I'm not going that front, but this is how we are walking in front of them through the river. And this was one of the best moments of the whole trek. Water filtration.
Wow, see that. It's still not satisfied.
No, you did the sand.
Go to the middle and from the top on. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Okay, कोई नहीं रेत भी साफ.
We did several adventures on this trek, I must say. We were so close to nature, right from climbing the mountains to climbing the Rocky Mountains to walking on the river, camping beside the campsite to out here. You must be thinking, what is this? These people, rather, everyone joined in. What are they doing? They're trying to search for an insect called Patal Guria. Okay, this person has inserted the stick not randomly. There were few holes while just walking beside the river. We could see certain holes. He inserted the stick inside one such hole and he's trying to fetch that insect without hurting it. And see how they are digging the sand all over. He'll insert the stick a bit beyond, और ऐसे ही करके he'll dig again, and suddenly he'll find it. Check it out.
मिला.
Patal Guria. Oh my god. It's like a grasshopper.
हाँ बिल्कुल. Beautiful, no? No. ये बड़ा awesome. Yeah.
Engulfed in all kinds of adventure on this trek, we came to an end And that is how, with lovely people, with lovely guide, we ended this trek.
Exhilarating experience, and I'm so happy to have Atulana, who was like my daughter, taking care of me, giving me water, waiting for me to when I was the last. She was always behind me, taking care. Thank you so much.
I want the world to know how happy we can be. Na 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 I have another action song. You have to repeat it after me, okay? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, clap your happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Last, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray!
Once slowly has to be done. Once. That's my friend Radha.
Hi everyone. Okay, so I and Atulana met on station. She's the first person I met on this trek, and she has become my best friend on this trek. She was my trek buddy. We had lots of fun, and I wish we'd go for more treks together in the future.
Yeah. Yes.
See you. Bye.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.